Hello everyone, welcome to my video tutorial on how to build CMM model and probe configuration. This is just a quick preview of my full-length video tutorial on building a CMM model and probe configuration using OpenDmis. So what you see here is the OpenDmis software. You might be using other softwares like PCDmis, Cameo Studio, or mCosmos. But because of the standardized random shell configuration, the procedure to build probe configuration is very similar. So let me walk you through quickly how to build a probe using OpenDmis. So what you see here, I already built a horizontal arm machine with the typical PH10 probe. Now, to build a probe configuration in OpenDmis, first you have to select the sensor icon here, and once you select it, now if you are in an icon different than build sensor, you see what you've got so far. But to be able to build a brand new probe configuration, you have to click this icon, the probe with the hammer. It's a build sensor. So click on it, and then the screen goes blank, which allows you to put in all your different random shell or other different probe configurations in it. So in my right hand side, you can see the full database for the probe accessories. And I believe most people will use PH10. Some of you might still using PH9, but the procedure is very similar. So let me just do a very quick walkthrough. So first, let's say your hardware is PH10 MQ. Just click on this, and it shows the corresponding hardware right away in the middle of the screen. And the next thing is you have look at your probe. See if you have the PAA1. So you can see once you select the PH10MQ, the database will expand. Then continue on, you have to select whatever is physically on your CMM. And let's say we do have the it used to call M30 to M8 adapter, or call it PAA1. That is the product code from random shell. So just click on it, and it puts a M30 to M8 adapter on it. So next, if you have extension, let's say 50 millimeter, just click on 50 millimeter, and then you might have either TP2, TP20, or TP200. It depends what is your real hardware. So let's say we select TP20. It puts TP20. And now it comes down to a point where you have to put on your probes. I believe in many cases you might need a extension study before the Ruby. So here is a very long list of all the probes and extension study. You don't have to really look at the probe name or number. What you will be interested to see is these two columns, length and the bore diameter. So whatever you don't see a bore diameter there, that's showing it is an extension study. And another thing in the software will allow you to sorting all these stylus or probes is you can click on the bore diameter. If you click on it, you can see this is like a standardized window sorting functionality. So now it starts from the largest bore diameter and descending down. But what you need typically is you want to go the other way. So first you see all these blanks. That means these are extensions. And then the next thing is you want to look at the extension, how long physically you have in your probe. Let's say we have a 20mm extension. Oh, sorry, I accidentally picked actually a 0.7mm ruby. So that's not what I want. So what I want is I want to click on this SE5. So that puts an 20mm extension. And next thing is, if you have a probe attached down after this extension, now this is where you're looking for a probe. So because you already sorted the bore diameter in ascending order, so the easiest way, just look at the bore diameter column, and let's say I have a 2mm by 20, which is very typical for a lot of CMM users. So I click on it. So basically you can see the procedure is quite easy, and what you do is you compare what you see on the screen to your CMM probe to make sure they match to each other 100%. The next thing you do is you want change the sensor label. Usually you want to put something easy to remember and make sense. So in this case, let's say I just put TP 20 and D 2.0 diameter. That is your base configuration, and from there you can build more probes. Okay, so this will conclude this video of preview how to build machine model and probe configuration. If you think this will help you to understand how to use OpenDmis better, you can get on my website training.rxmacharge.ca to get to see the full length of the video tutorial and also other free videos. Thank you very much for viewing my preview of video tutorial, and I'll see you next time.